Statement of Hope and by Anonymous. Ibig sabihin, hindi kilala kung sino yung nagsulat. So, Philippine Grapal retailing of story of hope, expanding the biblical account with additional narrative, hymns, and dialogues. The statement emphasizes hope's patience, charity, and ultimate vindication by Alhaya. A statement of hope, the blameless, the sacrifice, the conqueror, and many contests. Book of Hope called Hubab. Ito po yung pangalan talaga niya. His life and the transcript of his testament, translated by M.R. James, revised English by Jeremy Cobb. Yan. Chapter 1. On the day Hope becomes sick, and he knew that he would have to leave his bodily above. He called his 7 sons and his 3 daughters together and spoke to them as follows. So pinatawag po ni Job yung mga anak niyang lalaki at saka babae. And then sabi niya, form a circle around me, children, and hear. And I shall relate to you what Alhaya did for me and all that happened to me. For I am Job, your father. Now, then, my children, that you are the generation of a chosen one, and take head of your noble birth, for I am of the sons of Esau. My brother is Nahor, and your mother is Dinah. By her have I become your father. Or my first wife died with my other 10 children in better death. Hear now, children, and I will reveal to you what happened to me. I was a very rich man living in the east, in the land Ausitis o Us, tawagin. And before Alhaya had named me Hub, I was called Hubab. The beginning of my trial was like this. Near my house, there was the idol of one worshipped by the people, and I saw constantly burnt offering brought to him as a god. Then, Then I pondered and said to myself, it is he who made heaven and earth, the sea, and us all. How will I know the truth? And in that night, as I lay asleep, a voice came and called, Hubab, Hubab, rise up, and I will tell you who is the one whom you wish to know. This, however, to whom the people bring burnt offering and libations is not Alhaya, but this is the power and work of the seducer or Satan, by which he beguile the people. And when I hear this, I fell upon the earth and I prostrate myself, saying, O Abba Yahweh, who speak for the salvation of my soul. I pray you, if this is the idol of Satan, I pray you, let me go from this place and destroy it, and purify this spot. For there is none that can forbid me doing this, as I am the king of this land, so that those that live in it will no longer be led astray. And the voice that spoke out of the flame answered to me, you can purify this spot, Hope, but I announce to you what Alahaya ordered me to tell you, for I am the archangel of Alahaya. And I said, whatever shall be told to his servant, I shall hear. And the archangel said to me, in this manner uh, speak Abba Yahweh, if you undertake to destroy and take away the image of Satan, he will sit himself with wrath to wage war against you, and he will display against you all his malice. He will bring up you many severe plagues and take from you all you have. He will take away your children and will inflict many evils upon you. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Then you must wrestle like an athlete and resist pain, sure of your reward, become trial and afflictions. But when you endure, I shall make your name renewed throughout all generations of the earth until to the end of the world. And I shall restore you to all that you had, and the double part of what you will lose will given to you, in order that you may know that Alahaya goes not consider the person, but give to each who deserve the good. And also to you shall it be given, and you will put on a cross of tassel flowers, and at the resurrection you will awaken for eternal life. Then you will know that Abba Yahweh is just and true and mighty. After that, my children, I reply, from the love of Alahaya I shall endure until death all what will come upon me, and I shall not shrink back. Then the angel put his seal upon me and left me. Ayan. Ito po yung binanggit ko kanina tungkol do sa basahin po natin sa Tagalog para mas malinaw at maintindihan ng nakararami. Nang araw nang magkasakit si Job at nalaman na kailangan na niyang iwan ang kanyang katawan, ito po yung mamamatay na siya, tinipon niya ang kanyang 7 anak na lalaki at 3 anak na babae at sinabi sa kanila ang mga sumusunod, magtipon kayo sa pagiligid ko, mga anak, at makinig. Isasalaysay ko sa inyo ang ginawa ni Abba Yahweh sa akin at lahat ng nangyari sa akin. Ako si Job, ang inyong ama. Alamin ninyo, mga anak, na kayo ay mula sa lahi ng isang pinili at isaalang-alang ninyo ang inyong marangal na pinagmulan. Ako ay mula sa lahi ni Esau, ni Nahor na aking kapatid, at si Dina ang inyong ina, Sa pamamagitan niya, ako ay naging ama ninyo. Ang aking unang asawa ay namatay kasama ang aking 10 anak sa isang masaklap na kamatayan. Makinig kayo ngayon, mga anak, at ibubunyag ko sa inyo ang nangyari sa akin. Ako ay isang napakayamang tao na naninirahan sa silangan, sa lupain ng Uz. Bago ako tinawag ni Abayahawa na Hub, ako ay tinatawag na Hubab. Ganito ang simula ng aking pagsubok. Malapit na ang aking tahanan, mayroong Diyos-Diyosan na sinasamba ang mga tao. At nakita ko na patuloy na naghahandog sa kanya ng mga sinunog na alay, na tila siya ay alahaya. Pagkatapos ay nagmuni-muni ako at sinabi sa aking sarili, siya ba ang lumikha ng langit at lupa, ng dagat at ng ating lahat? Paano ko malalaman ang katotohanan? Nang gabing iyon, habang ako ay natutulog, dumating ang isang tinig at tumawag, Hubab, Hubab, gumising ka at sasabihin ko sa iyo kung sino ang nais mong malaman. Ang bagay na iyon ay pinaghahandugan ng mga tao ng mga sinunog na alay at inuming alay ay hindi ang alahaya o hindi si Abayahawa. Ito ay kapangyarihan at gawa ng manunukso na siyang ginagamit niya upang iligaw ang mga tao. Nang marinig ko ito, bumagsak ako sa lupa at yumukob at sinabi, O Abayahawa, na nagsasalita para sa kaligtasan ng aking kaluluwa. Pinakiusap ko sa iyo, kung ito ay Diyos-Diyosan ni Satanas, payagan akong pumunta doon at wasakin ito upang linisin ang lugar na iyan. Walang makapipigil sa akin na gawin ito, sapagkat ako ang hari ng lupaing ito, upang ang mga naninirahan dito ay hindi na mailigaw pa. Kaya naman, concerned siya sa kanyang kalupaan, kaharian. Kaya wala daw makakapigil sa kanya kung iyon ay wawasakin niya. Ang tinig na nagsalita mula sa nagliliyab na apoy ay sumagot, maaari mong linisin ang lugar na iyan, Hob. Ngunit ipinababatid ko sa iyo ang utos ni Abayahawa na sasabihin ko sa iyo, sapagkat ako ay arkanghel ng alahaya. Sinabi ko, anumang sabihin sa inyong lingkod ay aking pakikinggan. Sinabi ng arkanghel, ganito ang sinabi ni Abayahawa, kung iyong wawasakin at aalisin ang larawan ni Satanas, siya ay kikilos ng may puot upang makipaglaban sa iyo at ibubuhos niya sa iyo ang lahat ng kanyang kasamaan. Dadalhan ka niya ng maraming matitinding salot at kukunin niya ang lahat ng iyong pag-aari. Kukunin niya ang iyong mga anak at dadalhin ka ng maraming kapahamakan. Dadalhan ka ng maraming kapahamakan. Kailangan mong lumaban na parang atleta. Tiisin ang paghihirap at manatiling tiwala sa gantimpala upang magtagumpay sa lahat ng pagsubok at pagdurusa. Ngunit kung iyong pagtitiyagaan, gagawin kong kilala